Today's your birthday. I finally have the power to avenge you. Found you!
It's over. Over? No. Damn it.
Diana's picking a husband, and demons from the underworld dare come for her.
Dad, your proclamation for Diana's combat wedding didn't restrict the contesters' origins. They've already arrived outside the palace. As the king of gods, you cannot break your word. Someone must defeat them to keep Diana in Olympus.
Fine. Diana is my most beloved daughter. We cannot lose. Someone must step up and crush them. What is going on?
Today, it's all on me!
Win! 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 Win!
Who is he? What a worthless playboy. That's Quinn, Poseidon's son. Everyone calls him the #1 Scaearn of Olympus.
Quinn? The boy who defeated you when he was only 10? He was a once-in-a-generation genius back then. Poseidon and I had such high hopes for him. How did he end up like this?
What a pity. Born prodigy. Now just a good-for-nothing.
Back off!
Andy, save me!
Luna! Let her go, you bastards!
What a poor guy.
Olympus is full of cowards. You don't stand a chance against us. Tell Zeus to hand over his daughter. Mar, kill them!
Who's there?
Who did that? Such power. Dad, the matter has been settled.
So fast. It seems your combat power has increased again.
No, it wasn't me. Someone attacked them from the shadows. This person might be even stronger than me.
You are the god of war of Olympus. Is there really someone stronger than you?
Come on, let's drink and dance together!
That guy must be hiding in some corner.
Forget about that person for now. Go and test the combat strength of all the contestants. I must ensure someone is capable of defeating those demons.
Understood, Dad.
Quinn's one of the contestants, too. Should I test him? Do as you please.
Quinn, I'm sorry. I still can't fully control the water.
Ignore him. This trash is an embarrassment to me. All he knows is how to drink and dance. I'm punishing him today! Narita, why are you protecting him?
Poseidon, I'm the one who spoiled him. If you must punish someone, punish me.
You raised them both. Sam is exceptional. He can control the entire ocean. But Quinn, he's learned nothing. He's worthless.
Poseidon, I will be stricter with Quinn's education from now on. My body hurts so much, I need to go apply some medicine.
Think about what you've done.
Nelida, daughter of Hades. You murdered my mother, and you tried to turn me into a worthless wasteler so Sam could claim my father's throne as god of the sea. I won't let that happen.
I'm trying to concentrate these guys. I mean, I'm trying to lead guys. I'm trying to...
You're nothing compared to your dad.
What? How dare you mock me?
They're all too weak. None of them can beat those demons. Sam and Quinn. Don't let me down.
Mom, why'd you protect Quinn today? Should have let Dad kill him.
Poseidon still loves Quinn deep down, but I made sure to raise him into a degenerate. So now you actually have a chance at the throne.
I see. Don't worry, Mom. I'll crush everyone in the tournament and marry Diana. Then I'll have Zeus's backing.
Yes, once you pull that off, we won't need this disguise anymore. Good night, Sam.
Who are you? I'm in a hurry. Let's duel now. How dare you challenge me, threat!
You're not half bad. One thing.
Nice. A little harder. Don't stop. Keep going.
I was that obvious and he still didn't notice him?
Keep going.
Even now, he can't tell it's me.
Nice. Right there. Harder.
A coward doesn't deserve a weapon.
Stop!
That was my mother's. Leave it, or die.
Big talk. No one in all of Olympus dares speak to me like that. You want this back? Beat me first.
You asked for it. You've been hiding your true power this whole time. You're the one who attacked the demons? Thief! Give me back my dagger!
He's even stronger than before.
Dad, I'm back. Mars, who did this to you?
Quinn. That engineered incompetent. Quinn? You're the god of war? There's no way that Wastelic beat you.
I don't know why he's been acting like a spoiled brat, but it was him.
Perfect. Diana can be saved. Send word to Poseidon. Tell him to bring Quinn to the tournament.
Poseidon, you actually brought that worthless wastelock to compete?
He knows nothing about combat. Is he just here to throw in the towel?
Poseidon, don't worry. We still have Sam. He'll beat everyone.
You should learn from Sam. Stop embarrassing me.
I will.
Today, we hold a martial tournament for marriage. The winner takes Diana as his bride.
Look, that deadbeat Quinn showed up. Whatever. I'd never marry that waster anyway.
Let the tournament begin! Round 1, Andre versus Quinn.
Weakling. Don't expect restraint. Dad, I forfeit.
No! We're a family of warriors who die fighting, not cowards who surrender. Get up there and duel! You're dead, good for nothing!
Mars, are you sure he's the one who beat you?
He's faking it. I don't know why he's doing this. I can't show my power yet. It'll blow my whole plan.
Get up! The duel's not over!
Ha! Ha ha ha! Quinn, nowhere left to run. He's gonna fight back?
I give up!
Who else dares to challenge me?
Zeus! Long time no see.
Zeus, we're here to compete for Diana.
The nerve, barging into Olympus to pick a fight. Mars, think Quinn can take them?
I'd say so.
You came to compete? Then let's duel.
No one's got the guts to challenge me?
He already took down Andre. We don't stand a chance. Sam, don't! You're no match for him. Quinn, I'm not gonna kneel and surrender like you.
Sam, go take him down.
Sam, this is your chance to shine.
Why harm to Steelers, you wrong!
It's not over! Playtime's over.
Sam was the strongest of us all! Even he lost!
All good for nothings. None of you deserve to rule Olympias.
Whoever defeats Tusk, I'll marry him!
Diana's the most beautiful girl in Olympus. Even that won't move him? What's it gonna take?
That was my mother's. Leave it, or die. I get it now. Quinn's Playboy act is to stay alive. He's waiting for a shot at Diana. Promise him supreme power. That's the only way he can break free and avenge his mother.
Now I see.
Whoever defeats Tusk shall rule Olympias in my name and command all the gods!
Even higher than Dad's rank. This is my shot. Zeus, you mean it?
Every god here heard me. Dead serious.
Then let me have another go.